Aam Aadmi Party leader Santosh Kohli is in intensive care at a Delhi hospital with severe head injuries. The motorcycle she was riding pillion on was mowed down on Sunday by a car that simply drove away. The Aam Aadmi Party is suggesting foul play. Santosh has been handpicked by Arvind Kejriwal to fight elections in Delhi from a northeast constituency. For now, she's fighting just to stay alive. Vijay Kao with this report.
Aam Aadmi Party leader Santosh Kohli is now fighting for her life after being hit by a car in Ghaziabad on Sunday. Kohli was the party's candidate from northeast Delhi's Simapuri for the forthcoming Delhi elections. Her party members allege that this was a planned attack and that Santosh was being threatened to pull off the poll race.
We cannot rule out foul play simply because she had been receiving a lot of threats to her life, because that's the kind of person she is. She takes up cudgels against corruption in a big way. So this has been happening, and we cannot rule out foul play at all. And we feel it could be the local mafia. It could be somebody who's indeed threatened by what Aam Aadmi Party stands for in principle, and also somebody probably she's trying to expose and work against.
It's a very wide road. The entire road was empty and the car hit them and the car just sped away. Normally, if it's an ordinary accident, the car driver normally stops for a while. Even if he has to flee the place, he stops for a while, looks at the thing and then runs away from there. This car just hit them and it ran away. And second, it was a completely empty road.
On Sunday evening, Santosh was on her way to the AAP office in Kaushambi when her bike was hit by a car. The impact of the hit was so much that the bike caught fire and was gutted within minutes of the incident. Santosh landed in hospital with severe brain injuries.
संतोष की पहली सर्जरी हो चुकी है उनके ब्रेन की, और डॉक्टर्स ने कहा है कि अगले 72 घंटे उन पर भारी हैं और बहुत क्रिटिकल स्थिति में है, जिंदगी और मौत के बीच में.
The Delhi police has registered a case of attempt to murder, but they are yet to trace the car that hit the bike on which Santosh Kohli was travelling. They have asked the public to share any information that would help identify the car. Meanwhile, the bike too has been sent for forensic examination. But the big question is, was this a conspiracy to kill Santosh Kohli just before the Delhi elections? With camera person Amit Kumar, Vijay Kao, Delhi Headlines Today.
So was this an accident or an attack? Vijay Kao is joining us this morning. Vijay, what is the condition of the AAP leader who's been hospitalized? We just heard from the doctors that the next 72 hours are crucial. And where does the investigation stand?
Well, Ruchika, Santosh Kohli admitted here at the Yashoda Hospital in Kaushambi continues to be extremely critical. Now, the accident that took place was a very high impact accident, and the car hit the bike at a very, very high speed, because of which Santosh Kohli has received severe head injuries. Now, the doctors over here are saying that she has been put on ventilator support. Now, the primary aim of the doctors is going to be to wean her off the ventilator. Only then the doctors claim they will be able to suggest that Santosh Kohli is out of danger. Now, right, as far as the investigation is concerned, the police are trying to ascertain the identity of the car that hit the bike on which Santosh Kohli was travelling. The CCTV footage obtained from the cameras installed in nearby areas has not given the police much headway. Now they are trying to ask the public if they saw anything during the time of the accident. Back to you.
Vijay Kao, thanks for joining us. A case of attempt to murder has been registered by the Delhi police.